Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's vlog. And for today's episode, we're going to unbox two things. First up, we're going to check out this brand new Adidas Star Wars Ultra Boost Yoda. And then after that, we are going to open a mystery box. Well, it's kind of a mystery box because I don't know what's inside. That was sent over by Disney Philippines. So if that excites you, let's go. Now, while you guys are admiring this nice Adidas Star Wars box that kind of resembles like a toy box, let me just remind you that we have three ongoing giveaways. We're giving away Project Rock Under Armour sneakers, we're giving away a brand new Samsung TV, we're giving away the Yeezy Desert Boot. So if you guys want to join any of the three giveaways, hit the links in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then give this video a thumbs up. We are drawing the winners to all three giveaways next week, so good luck. Now this is the box. It looks like a toy box. Details of the shoe over here, and if you pop the box open, it's already empty because I actually have the sneaker here on hand. Bam bam! This is what the Adidas Yoda Ultra Boost looks like. Now, before I get to the sneaker, let me just say that this batch of Adidas Star Wars sneakers compared to the batch that came out when the last Star Wars movie came out is so much better. Because the last batch was simply forgettable. As in, talagang I cannot even remember the good ones from that line. The only thing that comes to mind is the R2-D2 Night Jogger. Everything else was kind of crap. And that actually echoes my feelings about Star Wars because this batch is actually in commemoration of the 40th year anniversary of Empire Strikes Back, the OG trilogy of Star Wars movies. And if you ask me, the OG movies, the first three that came out, really whoops the ass of all six that came after, especially the last three. Absolutely hated the last one. Not really hated, but it just can't compare to the first batch, and that's kind of disappointing. But anyway, moving on. So this is the Adidas Ultra Boost Yoda. You have some sort of like white and olive prime knit upper over here. You have the three stripes in black. They are made from leather, so the accents here, the heel cage as well as the heel clips on either side. You have Yoda holding his lightsaber there at the tongue tab. And by the way, before I forget, if you take a look at the leather parts, which includes of course the heel cage and the heel clip, it has some sort of like neon green outline, which is of course something the same color as Yoda's lightsaber. Speaking of his lightsaber, if you take a look at the back of the heel, on the right pair it says over there Yoda. On the left pair, you actually have his lightsaber. Perhaps one of the most fun features of this Adidas Ultra Boost is what you will see on the heel clip. Now, usually this is supposed to say Ultra Boost, but just like how Yoda would speak backwards, he has that tendency. This one actually says, if you take a close look at it, Boost Ultra. At the back of the heel, it actually says that it is part of the 40th year anniversary of Empire Strikes Back. Nice, actually, picture over there, silhouette of Darth Vader and Luke Skywalker battling it out. And lastly, if you peep the insole, it says a quote from Yoda himself. It says over here, difficult to see, always in motion, the future. Now, rounding it all off, you have, of course, the olive-colored Boost midsole, making it super comfortable. And if you flip it at the bottom, you have the black Continental outsole rubber. And you have that nice pop again of neon green, similar to his lightsaber, for the torsion system bar. So overall, I love the design, I love the look. Again, it is much better than the first batch of Adidas Star Wars sneakers that came out. The silhouettes are also infinitely much better. You have this one, you have the Stan Smith with Luke Skywalker, you have the Superstar with Darth Vader. It's just really a much better selection than the first batch. But if there's one thing that I really appreciate as well with this batch that kinda they put into the first, it's really the level of fan service in the smallest of details. From the lightsabers, to the coats, to the Jedi Master engraving on the lace tips, how they deliberately pick the colors that they would use for the shoes. this one for me is such a big win. So if you are going to ask me if I recommend it, well, if you already have an Ultra Boost and you're not really a die-hard Adidas, Star Wars fan, there's no point. But if you are a fan of the first set of movies like I am, and you are a collector, then you might want to take a look. I really love this, and I'm really thrilled to add this into my collection. But yeah, if you already have a shoe, there's no really, if you already have an Ultra Boost, you're not that die-hard fan, you don't really need to pick one up. You're fine with your current Ultra Boost or running shoe that you have. But hey, if for some reason you don't have an Adidas Ultra Boost yet, or if you don't have a good running shoe yet, and you are an Adidas fan, this is probably one of the best sneakers to pick up, especially if you are a Star Wars fan. And if you wanted to get one, please do take note that it is actually available on Lazada here in the Philippines, together with some of the other Adidas Star Wars Ultra Boost and collaborations. So I'll link down below to where you guys can buy this on Lazada, 100% legit, on the Adidas Lazada official shop. Hey, now I have no idea what is in this box, so it was sent over by Disney Philippines. So let's open it together and find out what it is that they sent over. So hopefully it's related to Star Wars, just so there's some sort of like continuity in the... Ooh, guys, this is awesome. So it says over here Star Wars, really nice pillow. Wow, talk about great timing. By the way, the shoe wasn't sent by Disney Philippines. It wasn't for free. I bought it. So it's kind of just awesome that the timing is really sick. So Star Wars over here. And then we even have a Boba Fett toy. Take a look at that. Star Wars Black Series Boba Fett. I really want the Boba Fett Adidas top 10 or hype, whatever, forgot what the name is. But that sneaker, I really want to buy. I'll put a picture somewhere here so you guys can see it. Man, this is so cool. Shout out to Disney Philippines for sending this. I really appreciate it. And we also have this, which, oh, so it's for the Star Wars Virtual Run Southeast Asia. So I'll put a link down below or more details for this one. So it's an exclusive invite where I can pick my side. Well, since we are getting fit, might as well, right? A really cute sticker of Baby Yoda. That is so nice. And then we also have two shirts featuring Star Wars over here. And wow, they actually got my size right. That's nice. So yeah, thank you Disney Philippines for this. Guys, if you want more information about the Star Wars Virtual Run, man, so much dust. I'll put a link, I'll put the details down below so you can check it out. And that actually wraps up our vlog for today. What do you guys think of the Adidas Yoda Ultra Boost? Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from all of you. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. I hope you guys are all positive with life, negative with COVID, and I hope you all had a great weekend and a productive week up ahead. And as usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.